All right, so we are going to do a linear, quadratic, exponential matching activity in this document, and I'm going to go through what exactly I want you to do for each of these. Later in the document, there will be more videos on how to do the second part of the activity and then how to share it with your teacher. So the first thing is I have this all in words here. On each of the slides, you're going to get a box, 3 boxes labeled linear, exponential, or quadratic. And you're going to look at all of the views of a function. So remember, we can look at functions in a table, in a graph, and in an equation. We also can do context, but we're going to do that later. But for this activity, you're going to be looking at tables, graphs, and equations. And each slide will be a different view, and you're going to sort the items on the page into the correct box for the correct function. So if we look here at this first one, this is when you're given a graph. One key thing you want to make sure that you look at is your speaker notes. This is going to give you directions for the slide as well as questions to answer. All you need to do is click on the item that you want, and then you're going to drag it to the correct box, and you just place it there and you're done. Put all of your graphs in the correct location, and then you move on to the next slide. There are 9 total graphs, equations, and tables for the total page. So you'll sort them in that way. You'll do your tables. Everything is an image, so you shouldn't have to worry about accidentally editing anything. And then you have your equations. So you'll just put them in the correct box. They should also be sized to fit into all of the boxes. Again, making sure to look at your speaker notes to look for any questions you need to answer on the slide. The next thing is going to be some notes. So you're going to read through these notes. You can keep them in this file. You can write them down. You can print these specific slides if you would like. But these are the important notes that you're going to need to do the next piece of the activity.